Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so this is my Echo PB-250. It's the LN, the low noise model, 65 decibels. Anyways, got this for free a couple years ago, and it's been fine. Just the other day cleaned the carburetor, and the sparker, not the spark arrestor, the ignition coil went out, so replaced that, and it runs really good. But now I got a problem. It's making a knocking sound. Seems to be, let me put y'all down. Let me kind of put y'all down right here so y'all can listen. I have it on stop, but that's the noise. And I've taken everything apart to see if there's like a bolt or anything that might be hitting the flywheel or anything, and there's not. The cylinder's fine, there's nothing in there, it looks great. It's got all the cross hatching. I mean, the cylinder's nothing's going on in there. It's got compression, obviously, there's resistance. So I don't really know why it's doing that, but if anybody has any kind of idea of what else I could look at. Another thing I'm possibly thinking about is it could be I don't think so, because it's starting and it runs fine, but maybe the ignition coil is touching the flywheel, but it doesn't look like it. It looked fine. There was spacing there. It really shouldn't start if it's doing that. So I don't know, guys. Do you guys have any idea? It would be helpful. I don't really use this blower a whole lot. It's kind of a backup, but I pull it out here and there for little things and keep it running, and just as a backup. But otherwise, if you guys know anything of what to look for, it'd be great. Let me know in the comments. I'm trying to figure it out. So anyways, bye.